How to verify your YouTube channel and what are the benefits of verifying a YouTube channel. Welcome to another video clip from Tech for All. If you are not a member, please subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified by email for new videos. Before we start the process of verifying a YouTube channel, first we must know what are the benefits. If you verify your YouTube channel, you will be able to upload videos which is longer than 15 minutes. The second benefit is you will be able to appeal copyright claims. And the third benefit, which is a very useful option, you will be able to use custom thumbnails. Now let's start the process of verifying our YouTube channel. In order to verify your YouTube channel, first open the browser, go to youtube.com, click on your profile picture, or if you haven't uploaded a profile picture, there will be an icon of a person here. Click on the icon, select YouTube Studio Beta from the menu. Now when YouTube Studio Beta is opened, from the menu choose Creator Studio Classic. Click on Escape button. When Creator Studio Classic is opened, from the menu in the left, click on Channel and then click on the Verify button under your channel name. The country will be automatically selected. You have two methods to verify your YouTube channel. The first option is calling with an automated voice message, and the second is the verification code will be texted to your number. I will go with the second option and choose text me the verification code option. In the text box, write down your phone number. After you have entered your phone number in the text box, click on Submit button. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your phone number. I received the verification code. You have to enter the verification code in the text box. And I recommend that you never share your verification code with anyone. Click Submit button. Congrats, your YouTube account is now verified. Click on Continue. We have successfully verified our channel. This was the complete process of verifying a YouTube channel. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you.